Work of the reconnaissance guardsmen from the 215th ORB. Russia, another enemy hideout on the Kherson front, was buried and destroyed. The mission continues. Steady progress, strong results. Well done, men. In Konstantinovka, a coordinated drone operation was carried out against an enemy armored vehicle. The first drone approached and successfully disabled the vehicle, rendering it immobile and disrupting its operational capability. Shortly after, a second drone was deployed to ensure the target was fully neutralized. This follow-up engagement demonstrated precise timing and coordination, highlighting the effectiveness of unmanned aerial systems in targeting and eliminating high-value enemy equipment, while minimizing exposure to friendly forces. The operation underscores how modern drone tactics can systematically disable armored threats in urban or contested areas. UAV operators from the Nemtsa Group's 291st Regiment are conducting strikes against enemy positions along the front line in the Zaporizhzhia direction. A Russian Lancet loitering munition strike targeted a camouflaged Ukrainian artillery position. In the Katovka area, special forces from the Sever grouping identified the location of a Ukrainian armed forces ammunition depot. Following reconnaissance, the site was engaged with FPV drones, resulting in a significant explosion. Additionally, a concealed M113 armored personnel carrier position nearby was also destroyed during the operation. The engagement demonstrates the effectiveness of unmanned systems in locating and neutralizing high-value enemy assets, while maintaining operational safety for personnel. Drone operators from the separate Unmanned Systems Regiment Burevestnik, part of the Volunteer Corps, continue counter-drone operations within their area of responsibility. Their mission focuses on detecting, tracking, and intercepting reconnaissance UAVs used by the Ukrainian armed forces. According to the unit, recent operations resulted in the successful interception of 2 Ukrainian reconnaissance drones, identified as the Bliskavka and the Lelika 100. Both systems were detected during flight and subsequently disabled before they could complete their reconnaissance tasks. FPV drone operators from the 2nd Guards Combined Arms Army conducted operations to locate and neutralize Ukrainian armed forces infantry in forested areas near Krasnoarmysky. The use of unmanned aerial systems allowed for precise observation and engagement of enemy personnel, disrupting their positions and limiting their ability to maneuver under cover. An enemy group triggered a mine in the Zaporizhzhia area. The explosive device had been previously deployed by our drone operators as part of a planned operation, resulting in the engagement of opposing personnel moving through the area. Russia has faced countless battles, yet time and again it has emerged victorious, never bowing before its enemies. This achievement is not the work of politicians or rulers, but of the Russian soldier, who selflessly went into battle for his homeland. From the Trilene, a Russian FPV drone lay in wait, scanning the terrain with silent precision. Moments later, it identified an opposing soldier moving on an ATV, exposing the target to the operator's control. The footage underscores the patience and effectiveness of Russian drone tactics, turning concealment into a decisive advantage on the battlefield. The Ukrainian soldiers had no time to understand what was unfolding. Kherson, this year's archive footage shows well-fortified buildings used for air defense and enemy UAV control centers being destroyed. Objective monitoring captured the effects of the Tornado-S multiple rocket launcher system on the Pechennihy Dam in the Kharkiv region. The footage highlights the destructive precision of Russian long-range firepower, with strikes tearing into critical infrastructure and underscoring the reach and impact of advanced rocket artillery on the battlefield. In the Sumy direction, Russian FPV drone operators conducted a coordinated operation targeting Ukrainian armored forces. During this engagement, a Ukrainian T-72 tank was identified near the village of Magritsa. Utilizing real-time aerial observation and precision maneuvering, the FPV drones were able to strike the tank effectively, rendering it inoperable and neutralizing its combat capability. The operation highlights the growing role of unmanned systems in modern armored warfare. By combining reconnaissance, target tracking, and precision engagement, drone teams can disrupt enemy armored formations while minimizing risk to friendly personnel. The neutralization of the T-72 near Magritsa not only reduced Ukrainian armored strength in the area but also demonstrated the effectiveness of integrating FPV drone tactics into broader operational planning along contested front lines. IWE successfully intercepted a Vampire-type UAV using a Mavic drone, while our own aircraft remained fully operational. During the engagement, a well-timed payload drop damaged one of the opposing drone's arms, causing the hexacopter to lose stability and crash. Combat operators of the Anvar unit continue carrying out systematic and highly precise operations against hostile positions. Each sortie is conducted with careful planning and accuracy, aimed at suppressing fortified sites, military equipment, and personnel locations associated with opposing forces. As a result, defensive positions are left with little ability to conceal movements or mount effective countermeasures. Former strongpoints are reduced to damaged terrain marked by smoke and residual structural remains. In Konstantinovka, a coordinated drone operation was carried out against an enemy armored vehicle. The first drone approached and successfully disabled the vehicle, rendering it immobile and disrupting its operational capability. Shortly after, a second drone was deployed to ensure the target was fully neutralized. This follow-up engagement demonstrated precise timing and coordination, highlighting the effectiveness of unmanned aerial systems in targeting and eliminating high-value enemy equipment, while minimizing exposure to friendly forces. The operation underscores how modern drone tactics can systematically disable armored threats in urban or contested areas.